Welcome on YouTube, it's your boy Click Man, and we're back with another banger. Today we're gonna be reacting to the conversation between Adin Ross and Andrew Tate. I don't know if you guys know this, but Mr. Tate presents himself as a gallus in certain cultures, as they would put it, or a guy that he's successful, so he gets girls, and he knows how females move. You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna be taking in the wisdom of the Tate Meister himself, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you think about the advice Adin was getting here from the big dog. We're just gonna get right into it, so I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
Yeah, me and my girlfriend broke up.
Why did you and your girlfriend break up?
Okay, so hear this, right?
I was about to say this. I was about to be like, yo, why does this guy have his shirt off every time I see him? But low key, it's just because I don't want it to look like extra. But I hate wearing a shirt inside the house. I don't know about you guys, but you let me know if you think that's weird.
We broke up. I just feel like it was more of an outgrown type of thing. We both wanted different things. I'm not gonna lie, we broke up. And then she made an OnlyFans yesterday.
Nah, she been had that OnlyFans. You just found out about it today.
You wanted different things.
Yeah.
What did you want then? What did you want that she didn't want?
Me, I just wanted to kind of like seclude myself, and I wanted to find myself because I'm lost, and I wanted to find myself, and I feel like I wanted to find myself.
It's a funny guy. I feel like I'm lost, and I want to find myself. I feel like I'm lost. I want to find myself.
So you agree with me? You are lost. You're a lost soul.
100%. Yes.
I want you to donate a significant
This nigga has some great ass posture. You thinking how he's sitting on a fucking soft ass sofa?
portion of money,
Sit up.
a significant amount of money to charity right now.
Okay. How much and what charity?
About $100,000.
Andrew, let me explain.
Everyone is watching you, Adin. You waste your life. We've just discussed how you do nothing but hedonistic garbage. Your entire life's a You have all this opportunity at your young age, and you're sitting around doing nothing with it but You're going to donate $100,000. You're going to donate $100,000 to an animal shelter because puppies deserve it.
They definitely do.
Right now.
Actually, I agree with that.
That's actually really sweet. What if
I'm waiting.
Okay, I don't know a legit one. Like, what if they just like steal my money and shit, and they don't do anything about the puppies?
Oh no, let's hope they don't steal your money. Let's hope they're more honorable than the drug dealers you fund.
I don't do drugs, bro. I don't do drugs.
You do drugs, don't lie.
No, the only thing I do is drink alcohol. That's it, okay?
You live in LA. If you live in LA, you're a fucking drug head like everybody else.
No,
that place is godless. It's a cesspit. It's disgusting. Every single female's fucking twerking on some perk bullshit, or taking Adderall or Valium so she can calm down for the amount of cock she's been through. It's a fucking shithole. There's nobody of any kind of moral substance or fiber in that entire city. You should leave immediately. You know this, but that's why it attracted you. It attracted you because you want the degeneracy, because you're a degenerate person. Okay. You are donating $100,000 to a fucking animal charity today.
Fine.
So pick one. I've had enough with your shit.
How he talks, how Tate says all this shit's so fast, so random.
Okay. Where have you been, dude? Like, seriously, where the fuck have you been? Why'd the internet do that to you? It's not even fair, bro.
Like I said, why'd the internet do that to you?
It's a pretty good attempt to change subject.
I don't see you on Instagram. I don't see you on TikTok anymore. Why'd they do that to you?
I'm all over TikTok. It's still TikTok.
Okay, yes, but not as much as I used to see you. Like, what happened, dude?
I'm tired of y'all.
I'm gonna allow you to change subject. I want everyone to know that you don't fool me or trick me.
Okay.
But I'm gonna allow him.
Thank you.
Just as long as the internet knows that you're a stingy fuck and you want puppies to die, then I'm happy to sit here and change subject with you. So you don't give a fuck about the puppies. That's fine. Adin doesn't care. He only cares about fucking degenerate bullshit, LA
and
slags,
drugs.
doing drugs, and all this other garbage. If you agree with that, then fine. Let's talk about something else.
Let's talk about something else, bro.
1 second.
Dude, where the fuck is this guy, bro? Why does he look... Bro, no way you're spamming L8 in, bro. Oh, God, this chat's weird as fuck. No, I literally look at you guys all differently, bro.
Yo,
I swear to God, you guys are being all
so
weird, bro.
stupid.
Stop dick sucking, bro. I'm about to run ads all stream, and you're gonna fucking sub, bitch. Fuck you guys. You guys are being assholes, bro. Why is it daytime where he's at, too? Where the fuck is he, bro?
Nigga, he's on the other side of the world.
Dude, you guys are being weird, bro.
Nigga wearing velvet pants.
Howdy.
I missed you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
You got bigger, and you got stronger.
I am very big and very strong. I'm a very big, very strong man. And also a massive... thank you. You know what upsets me the most? Everyone accuses me of being Everyone accuses me of being on steroids, and I'm not. And it actually annoys me that steroids exist because my monumental size and power would be respected a lot more if everyone else wasn't on fucking steroids. Everyone else is on juice besides me. I want to do every single drug test on the planet to prove that I am gifted by God. A rabbit needs drugs to look like a tiger. When God creates a predator, he just has natural ability. You understand? I'm not Logan. I don't need to fucking juice out the moon. I'm not some dickhead.
Yo, wait, why don't you and Logan don't like each other?
They're about to fight.
Listen, his time is coming.
Hear this guy, bro. You and Logan don't like each other?
Yo, Andrew, Andrew, what the fuck? Yo, what are you doing on your laptop? What are you doing on your laptop, bro? Some devious shit.
What's funny?
I don't know, bro.
Why are you laughing?
I don't know,
Why are you
bro.
laughing?
What are you doing on your laptop?
Yo, why is
You're not very entertaining, so I said 1 second to get my laptop so I could also do my work, my important things while talking to you. Because you're not very entertaining or engaging or smart or intelligent. You don't say anything that's very insightful. It's not very often you make me think. In fact, I can't think of a single time you've said a sentence and I've had to sit and contemplate and go, wow, that's a very interesting, articulate, unique,
so
astute point. Never, ever once.
Damn,
so because I can basically talk to you while I'm asleep, I may as well do my work at the same time.
I mean, that makes sense.
Wow, you just really shit on me. Good for
I'm just telling you the truth, young man.
Good for you.
I don't lie to you about
Respectfully.
anything. I want the absolute best for you and for the world. I'm a man of God. It would be disingenuous for me to sit here and pretend you're interesting, funny, or cool.
I have a question. You said call on Telegram, and then you said call. I fucking said in all caps. Why were you like screaming at me through the app?
Because you had exactly 1 minute left till I decided not to turn up anymore. I have things to do. Obey, comply, instantly.
Where are you right now?
Bucharest.
I'm in Dubai.
Oh shit.
Oh, how's that going?
Yo, why does he say "oh" like that?
Nah, I need to go though. I need to. I really want to go.
There's no drugs in Dubai. I know. It's a shame.
Really?
I don't do drugs, bro. I swear my look at me.
Really?
You live in L.A. Why are you lying to me?
It's a stereotype, bro. Stop doing that, bro.
There's no drugs.
And you do steroids.
In Dubai?
You fucking steroid using fuck. You small shrink dick fuck. You can't even get hard. You erectile dysfunction. Oh, I made you laugh. See, you missed me. What have you been up to, bro? I've really been missing you, real shit. What have you been up to?
I'm more famous than I've ever been. The
real
cancellation
shit.
has completely and utterly failed.
So in Dubai,
they definitely did. They
treated like
definitely
a-
did fail.
I don't know, what do you call it over there? What are you doing over in Dubai? Like, are they treating you well?
I get treated well everywhere I go. But yeah, Dubai is certainly the city of the future. Dubai is not
Definitely looks
collapsed
that
in
way.
real time like most Western cities are.
Definitely
So
looks
I love
that
Dubai.
way,
I
man.
always
That
have.
shit is
I usually
crazy.
come here every winter, but I'm gonna spend a lot more time here. So
Good.
it's a great place.
Good. I'm gonna have to fly out and we have to link. You know, be kind of fun. Finally.
We should. You should fly out, and we should spar, train.
Yeah, this guy
do
just wants to
important
beat up
things.
everybody he knows.
We can film it all.
No, for sure. Okay, so.
Cool. There's direct flights from LA. So why don't you book a flight right now? Stop making excuses.
No, I'm not doing that.
me
No,
tell
I
you
have a
something,
lot
man.
of
If
shit
there
going on,
was a-
okay? I'm
if
going
there
through
You're
a
not
was-
booking a flight. You're not donating money to charity. What
Any
are you
chance
doing?
in the
I'm
world,
going through a breakup, bro. It's hard, bro. Stop
any
being
chance
so hard on
in
me.
the
Damn,
world
dude.
that
You yourself
procrastination
know
could be
heartbreak
killed,
hurts.
Andrew Tate would kill that
Heartbreak does
shit.
hurt.
Yeah.
I agree with you. Heartbreak hurts.
Okay, so come on. Bear with me a little bit, bro.
How long ago did you break up?
About a month or two ago.
Why do you think she left you?
No, it was mutual.
Why do you think she left you?
It was mutual. Listen, people outgrow each other, bro. People sometimes in life they don't work out, and that's just how life is, bro. You gotta understand and respect that.
All right, with the
That's
wisdom.
what girls say when they're fucking someone else.
Oh shit.
People outgrow each other. It's not you, it's me. You know what? You're
That's-
a really
that
good
TV
friend. I don't
bullshit.
see you that way. Once they have a new cock to gobble on, that's usually what happens. So who does she fuck?
Yeah, this nigga
You
is
know yet?
ruthless.
Did you even find out?
No, I don't think she is fucking anyone.
Oh yeah, she left you to be by herself.
Yo,
She left you to sit at home alone.
Yo,
and
that
watch
laugh stop
TV.
shit is so creepy.
Yeah, 100%. 100% that's why she left you, G. She left you because she just really wanted to sit at home by herself, not to run around with some other dude.
and, you know,
You're
think
totally right.
about her
She's
life.
a good person. She's different than all the rest. Completely agree. She ain't fucking nobody. Don't worry, you can sleep
Why
just
won't
fine
she?
at night. Maybe you should text her when you're lonely. Send her a text. She might text back this time. She's
Advice
definitely
from
not with
Tate.
some dude. You know all those other times she didn't reply? She was tired. She was asleep. Don't worry about it. This time she might text back. Miss you too. Wish we could have worked out. There's not some dude like me sitting next to her laughing at your messages.
This man is definitely here to shit on Aiden. Man's like, yo, I want some content.
She made
Yeah, so you grew.
I don't
so
believe
you
he
grew
doesn't do
apart.
drugs.
You grew apart. Okay, carry on with the fairy tale.
Okay,
Carry on.
Then I moved to LA, and then after I moved
What?
to then I moved to LA.
Show me her. Let me see if she's even hot. Show me her. Show me her. Let's see what we're talking about.
I mean, you can look her up yourself.
He doesn't want to give
I don't care.
publicity.
On what? Not on social media.
So you said we're on TikTok.
Oh no, I don't get to see your ex. That's absolutely devastating. Terrible. I was trying to do you a favor here because you know what? As an extremely experienced man, what I have is flawless hodar, so I can look and instantly tell you. Not only if she's a hoe, but
Yo,
who
he
she's
needs to do a
sleeping with
show.
now, everything.
'Cause
head
I would like
toe.
to see if that's
I'm
true.
Flawless.
Because
So I
we're
try and
a
offer
bunch
you
of girls in.
I offer you my services,
But no,
Stop
and
Relax.
as usual,
yelling at me, dude.
you're
Seriously.
rude. You're rude.
you're
Aiden.
rude.
Fly to Dubai. Fly to Dubai now. We'll talk. Come here.
You want me to come to you?
yo, Aiden is weird. This nigga is super weird.
Bring your ex. Maybe you can make up. Get back together. I'll fix it. I'll mediate. Imagine the Twitch stream where I'm the
Man said
mediator.
he'll
I'm the
fix
marriage
it.
counselor. You
Man's
and
trying to
her,
take your
and I
ex
get it
now.
all fixed.
Listen.
But she will have to admit I was right that no one grew apart. She just grew onto a new dick.
Oh my god, bro.
She made an OnlyFans yesterday.
She didn't make it yesterday, bro.
She's been doing a lot more than that, G. I don't know why
Oh
you're worried
my
about
God.
fucking website. OnlyFans. That's a website. Don't worry about that. She's
Ew.
been up to a lot fucking more.
Saying the
How many
private
times
is
she not
way
replied to
worse.
you
The
at night?
public is a
How many
soft
times she
thing.
been asleep by 9 p.m.?
She's different, bro. She's different.
She's
trust me.
different. Yeah. She's super
is.
different, bro.
Yo, Aiden's an actor
100%.
still.
She's so different. You know your problem?
Mm-hmm.
If I split up with a girl, I sit there and understand that females don't like to downgrade. And I say, okay, she now has to meet another man
That's better.
with hundreds of millions of dollars who's an ex-athlete or kickboxing world champion who's strong and smart and interesting and funny.
This guy's
and the
naming
most famous
himself.
martyr of Earth for trying to crack the Matrix. There's no competition. But your problem is you're so fucking normal.
Oh my
Yeah, you have a Twitch
God.
stream. Who gives a shit?
And
You look like
anybody-
Joe Schmo.
anybody
You act
can
like
take
Joe
her.
Schmo. You do Joe Schmo shit. So if she'll fuck a man like you, she'll fuck basically anybody. And that means that she can get a guy from KFC
This guy is a sicko, bro.
or Starbucks or fucking some other random Twitch clown, and you can get replaced so quick. That's what your problem is. I don't have that problem. You do. So
What
if you
the
think
fuck?
that you're so, if you think you're so
This
fucking
guy's so
special,
mean.
Aiden, that through all these months she couldn't find some other
This
guy,
guy is so
in
mean.
terrible shape who drinks soy lattes with enough money to afford a shitty apartment in fucking LA, then you are out of your mind. Because I guarantee she could.
Nah, this
and
guy's
has,
cooking him.
and it's done.
You're getting cooked, Aiden.
You're weird as fuck. Okay, listen, bro.
I said,
Whatever.
I'm not weird. I tell you
Yes.
the truth.
You are, bro.
What's
Just-
weird about the truth? The
Okay.
truth is beautiful. You must accept and embrace it. You must look in the mirror and accept that I am right. And you
So that was mostly that was most of the stream. Like you guys, let me know what you think. Do you think that Tate is right? Like, do you think his girl has been gone? She's been checked out? Because they say girls check out a long time before they actually decide to leave. And I don't know. Tate he seems like he has the facts. It's just how he delivers it that people really don't like. But let me know what you guys think, man. I'll see you guys later. Peace.